be treated after being diagnosed by heart problem, because I've been able to be operated after being tipped at Yashoda Hospital. I'm Musa Habib Kasumba from East Africa, Uganda, on the continent of Africa, bordering Kenya on the east. I'm here at Yashoda Hospital to be treated after being diagnosed by heart problem of Aorta, which was experienced by the doctor in Kampala, Mulago. They have been faithful to me, and I've been happy with them because I've been able to be operated after being tipped, but Yashoda Hospital has the capacity to treat you as you feel like. I congratulate the whole team by Dr. Vikram Reddy and his team for the tireless efforts they have made, making me gain the life of mine. I will keep on also advising others who are behind in case of anything to approach Yashoda hospitals. I take one of the greatest hospitals in the world, and I believe it is the greatest. I congratulate the entire staff having been admitted the way I was treated in a familiar way, and may the Lord grant them. But thank you very much.